So the online application process at the Kaospilot is one of the major things with the education for two reasons. One is that it allows the participants to know more about what the school is, what it offers, and what it can do for them. So it's not just a way for the school to select people, it's also about giving applicants a chance to select the school. A major leadership skill is to learn how to spot talent. Who has the potential to become a leader? And we think that the students at this school all should have that quality with them from a very early on. For the first time ever, this value proposition was challenged in a way that we could not really foresee. Because we always assumed that even if the world would become more and more digital, there would always be a space where we would have our strong forte. People want to meet, they want to be together, that's why you come here. This year then, when everything was turned around, and we could not do it as we have done it for more than 20 years, more or less, really challenged what we think is fundamental, what really needs to be there, and what can actually be exchanged. If you have a bit of ingenuity and you give a lot of effort to it, you can actually make something like this happen. May that be online.